Hello, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We are the company who has been doing your maintenance on the grounds here. I know that you have the gutter covers on your house, and I hope those are working great for you. But the reason for this video is to basically explain our services, the gentle detergent wash, the window cleaning, and a little bit of roof maintenance. So quickly talk from top to bottom, and which will help explain our process and why we do things the way we do. So we are in the roof preservation business, and instead of you having to pay somebody to replace your home, what we do is we actually replace your shingles. What we do is we actually will apply a formulated cleaner to your shingles. It kills off that moss and that algae. The level of moss growth on your shingles is at like a level 4, where at any moment it's going to start failing your shingles. That moss is growing roots down into your shingles, and it's disturbing the gravel or the granulars in your shingles. So we're going to want to do something about that. And with our process, it's no power washing, no abrasive brushing, but our cleaner does all the work for us, and then the rains wash it all off after that. So you're going to have a brand new looking roof without having to replace it. Now when it comes to the washing of your siding, you have a painted house with caulk, a lot of delicate paint here. So the last thing you want is a company to come by and blast away at it with high pressure and causing a lot of damage to your screens, your vinyl protective deck covers here. So what we do is from the ground, we safely and effectively wash all the surfaces from the ground that are accessible, and we don't have to have a scaffold or laddering. But with our 9 gallons a minute pressure, gallons per minute, it essentially allows us to wash your house with no more pressure than a garden hose. You don't have to worry about any further damage because of high pressure, and it's the same pressure. It's the same pressure that you would use to wash your hands with. It's really our cleaner is doing all the work. And it's going to get rid of all these nasty spider webs and bug guts and algae, mold, mildew, moss. All that's going to be washed off. So after we get done washing your siding and washing your vinyl covers here, all your columns, in between all of your nice spindles there, that's right, that cleaner gets in every little crevice and cleans all that mold off really nicely. Then we'll move over to your window cleaning. Our window cleaning process is different than most companies, where they'll get on a ladder and they'll soap and squeegee every little French pane of window on your home, which they'll be here forever and eternity. We're a little bit more efficient than that. We take advantage of water-fed pole window cleaning technology. So from the ground, we can wash all your windows with a water-fed pole. It's like that slow dripping water at a car wash. Super effective, and your windows actually stay cleaner longer because you're not leaving a small residue of soap on the glass. Purified water leaves your windows sparkly clean. Now obviously you have multiple layers of windows because of the older storms, so we'd have to carefully and delicately take those off and clean all sides of the glass, which is more labor intensive, but it's worth it. Look at those clean windows. So now, while we're here on your property, it also includes washing all the spindles. The deck's going to be brighter, and you're set to go there. But I did want to draw attention to this rust that's starting to develop on the side of the house, and our algicide house wash process will not do anything for this. This is going to need an acid clean, and it's separate, and we can definitely take care of it. But I wanted to show that to you so that you can see how this can safely and effectively be cleaned without using any high pressure, damaging the paint. And it would also be the same process we would do to clean up your sidewalk here, getting all this rust stains off here as well. So my name is Eddie, operations manager of Multi-Man Services. And please take a quick minute to watch this informational video on why roof maintenance is so important, and how you can benefit yourself and save lots of money by being proactive about your roof maintenance. Thank you.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse. Think you need a new roof? Think again. Introducing MAXX, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With MAXX, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. MAXX's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. MAXX's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with MAXX's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by MAXX had absolutely no damage.
So a MAXX roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell, or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with MAXX.
Hey, thanks so much for allowing me to quote your home maintenance services. And I just wanted to take this brief moment to explain the benefits of cumulative buying power with you and your neighbors. So when you and all your neighbors take advantage of the buying packages that we offer, we're able to work more efficiently, plan out our days better, and plan out our help better, and our purchasing equipment to be able to provide the highest level of service for you. So the reason why I make these packages is because it allows us to work more efficient and provide the highest level of service for you. So when you combine the buying power of working with you and your neighbors, it saves you a lot of money and it makes us work smarter. Thanks so much.